What's up, y'all? It's me, Tara J, back again with another one. And today I am coming to you guys with a DIY tutorial. What are we making, you may ask? We are making aloe vera gel. So let's get to it. Okay? Okay, guys, so before we begin, make sure you have the materials needed, such as essential oils, the aloe vera plant, optional, which is a blender, jar or bowl of your choice. I have a mason jar, your utensils, such as a knife and a spoon, and another bowl. And something else that's also optional is the drainer and paper towels. So now that we have our material together, let's begin cutting off the root of the plant as well as the wriggly sides that's on it, as you can see on the side. So cut the root and then cut the sides off, and you will be able to see the gel on the inside, such as this. That's what we're trying to get out of the plant. So now I am going to begin to peel the outside of the plant off of the gel. It kind of is like peeling an avocado. It's really weird like that. The inside is really smushy and the outside is hard, but it comes right off. It doesn't get hard until one side is like already completely off, and then you're trying to get the other side off, and now it's sticking to your finger and dripping everywhere because it is really gooey, guys. So just take that into account. So now that we pretty much have all of the gel out of the plant, it tends to get a little bit harder because you do want to get all the gel that is left over. You don't want to be wasteful. So just be mindful that, again, it is gooey because it's gel, but just don't spill it all over the place like I did. I wasted a lot of gel, especially right after I brought it out the blender. But just be mindful that it is gooey and try to get as much as you can off of it. If not, then just buy a new plant. Like aloe vera plants are literally like $2, maybe even $3, probably less than that at Whole Foods. So yeah, it's not really that big of a deal. You still have a bunch left over. So if you cannot get it all out, like I was not able to get it all out, it's so gooey, oh goodness. Just forget about it, okay? So now what I'm going to do is just scrape the excess gel that I have left over on the cutting board into the blender. As you can see, it is really slimy and I have it all over the counter. My counter's clean. I cleaned it before I started. So I'm just going to cut up a little bit the chunks that you see here in the blender so it can blend just a little bit better. That's not really a real blender. That's just one of the cutters that I use to like cut up my onions and bell peppers and things like that. It's quite cool. Now I'm just going to add just a tad bit of water just so it can blend just a little bit better. Just a little bit. You probably only need like a teaspoon of water. And then I'm going to start adding my essential oils such as peppermint oil, and which is my preference. And I also use flaxseed oil because that is also good for your skin and your nails and your hair and things like that. So I just decided why not 2 for 2, right? Then all you pretty much need is to blend this for about 10 to 20 seconds because it's already liquidy, so it's not going to take forever like a fruit smoothie or something. So, yeah, I'm going to do that really quickly, get that out the way, then be right back with you guys. Now that we have that all blended up, what you're going to need next is the bowl, the drainer, and the paper towel. This is supposed to be a substitution for the stockings method. You pour it in the stocking and drain it into your jar. I'm using a drainer and a paper towel because I don't necessarily have those kind of things. However, the biggest thing is for you to be careful. The jar is so much smaller than the drainer, so once I pour it in there, it's literally going to go like everywhere. Or if I pick up the paper towel wrong, it's going to go everywhere. Sorry guys, I did spill it everywhere, but as you can see, it is going into the jar as well. And this is how you make aloe vera gel. I squeeze the paper towel as much as I can to get the suds out that was created from the blender. And that's that, guys. That is my tutorial for aloe vera. I hope you guys like it. Alright, I'm out, guys. Peace.